Chapter 6 Law MCQ Prospectus and Allotment. Section 23 provides for methods of issuing securities. The prospectus is defined under 270. Section 270 of Company Act 2013 defined prospectus issued to body corporate. A single private communication between business friends shall not satisfy the term issue. Prospectus must be issued to public is was held in case of South of England Natural Gas Petroleum Limited. Six, prospectus must contain opinion of independent expert. 7. The prospectus must be issued to public within days of dash to ROC. 90 days delivered to ROC. If the company makes any default under section 33, it shall be liable for penalty of 50,000. In order to constitute offer for sale, such an offer made to public within dash months after allotment to underwriter, 6 months. Prospectus under section 25 is deemed prospectus, constructive prospectus, prospectus by implication, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Section 28 states about deemed prospectus. Self prospectus is valid for the period of 1 year. Prospectus without complete particular of quantum of price of the securities is called red herring. In case of misstatement in prospectus, dash can be imposed, civil liability. In case of misrepresentation in prospectus, remedy against company only, remedy against director or promoter, expert along with director and promoter. So the answer is all of the above. (16) A subsequent purchaser of share in open market has no remedy against the company or director or promoter held in the case of P. Quases Gurney. Section 38 states about class action suit. Section 24 of Companies Act 2013 empowers SEBI. 19. If company is willing to utilize the amount raised for the purpose other than specified in prospectus, then dash is required to be passed, SR. Public offers shall mandatorily be made through dematerialized form as stated in section 29. 21st, an act of appropriation of company by BOD is called allotment. Application of money shall not be less than dash of the nominal value of securities, 5%. Company shall receive minimum subscription within 30 days from the date of opening of issue. If the company has not received minimum subscription of, then the amount received is to be repaid within dash day from closure of issue, 15 days. Return of allotment to be filed by company in form dash to ROC in dash days, PAS 3, 30 days. Section 42 provides that a company cannot make dash to more than 200% in aggregate in financial year. Offer for securities. Letter of offer to be issued by company in PAS 4. In order to make private placement, securities is dash required, SR. While calculating the limit of 200% under section 42, QIB and ESOP is excluded. The minimum investment size of private placement shall not be less than dash as per dash, shall not be less than 20,000 as per face value. Last one, allotment under private placement is to be made within dash days of receiving application, money under IFSC public and IFSC private company, 90 days.